Welcome to Techstination. Joining us is Christine English, Sales and Business Development Manager at Accell, Accell. Thanks for joining us again, Christine.
Well, thank you very much, Fred. It's always great to talk to you and the Techstination crowd.
You've got a brand new product on the market we're going to talk about here that's called the Accell Driverless USB Docking Station. Give us the overview of what this is all about, what it's intended for.
Well, what this is intended for is for anybody who wants to show their screens on their computer on another screen. It works with Mac. It works with PC. It works with your Android phone. It's a simple, not too big, about 12 by 2.5 inch device that you plug in through USB. It has 3 USB ports out. It has HDMI out, 2 HDMI ports, one that supports 4K. Audio, speaker, it's got a power cord and a power supply that also has international charger adapters. You can take this anywhere. So if you think about the person who's like me, traveling to show customers things, I can take this, plug it into their TV, plug it into any HDMI monitor that they have, plug my computer in, and show up on the screen. And then if they want to show me something, I can unplug it from my system, plug it into theirs, and without them having to go to the internet and download a driver, it comes up automatically. We can switch. But if I'm a real travel person and all I want to carry is my Samsung phone, this is even better. It takes it, it shows everything.
And in a lot of hotel rooms, they allow you to hook up to the TVs there when and if we get around to going to hotels again.
Yeah, it does. It does at that. And it also, think about the family side of things too. When you finally get back with your family, you can plug in and show them everything you've been doing at home, building a garden, fun with the kiddos in the driveway, watching the people parade by, whatever it is that you're interested in showing. So business people, hotels, convention centers, home personal users, gamers, 4K video, 4K output to the screen.
Terrific.
It's an amazing product. I'm loving it.
And while it's driverless, there is an app that it works with, correct? For a phone?
Yes, for the Google phone. For the Google phones, there is an app that you download from the Google Play Store that helps optimize all the functionality of it. So when you plug it in, this driverless piece mirrors your screens. You can also download, and that's all in the system itself, to download, and you can install the driver so that you can then use multiple screens and extend your screens. Pretty cool.
And you can be using a keyboard, et cetera, with your mobile device as well then?
Yes, you can, because you can plug it in to the back through one of the USB ports or use your wireless keyboard with its little USB dongle, and that will work as well.
And one of the real keys here is the absence of a driver, the absence of a need for a driver when you're talking about using this with a Mac or a Windows machine, right? Yeah. A lot of times when you're traveling, you don't always have access to internet. And the fact that you can plug right in there without that having to go look for something, or anyone else can plug into the same piece and do some screen sharing, is really makes it a cool product. And for a lot of people who are continuing to work at home, and a lot of office environments are transitioning to that, perhaps, that more people will be working from home. This allows you to take your notebook computer and perhaps more easily plug in a headset, plug in Ethernet, and plug in an HDMI monitor as well.
Yes, and I can move from room to room with it very easily. I have a HDMI cable connected to my 50-inch TV because I wanted to see how well the 4K graphics was working. I just walked over, plugged the piece plug the Accell USB driverless docking station into that with my notebook, and up there on my 55-inch screen, beautiful. And then I come back to my desktop, plug it into my 27-inch dual displays, and I have the same thing working. And I can, like I said, I can move from my PC for work to my Mac.
Very handy for things like video conferencing as well. So many people are using things like Zoom today.
Yes.
So
yeah, you can see all 50 Zoom windows there.
tell us about availability and pricing on this.
Well, the MSRP is $189. Right now there's some promotions that we're going to be running for Father's Day that'll start here in the next day or two. It is available now. You can go to the Accell website, accellww.com. Type in the word driverless in the search bar, and you'll be able to find all the different places that are carrying it right at this moment. But the product is available. We do have some fun people who will be carrying it. So you're going to be able to get it online many different places. And this was just announced. This technology was just announced this week. So Accell is at the forefront in bringing this product to market.
Well, congratulations once again on the innovation. The website again is accellww.com. Christine English, thank you so much for taking the time with us, and stay healthy.
Thank you, Fred.
Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations, and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.